It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I love it, don't you? I wonder if my little fish are frozen. That's polarized. That is not polarized. What gives you more flavor? Polar, non-polar. Polar, non-polar. I'm waiting on the children. We're going to feed our faces. It's not a whole lot of snow, but if you measure from about here to here, that's probably already about 10 inches, right? So we're getting a lot. No, wait, these are 8-foot boards, so it's probably close to 8 foot now, at least. I'm gonna make a snow individual. Can't make snowmen anymore because it is offensive to people. Come on, though, fella. Look, I made a snow individual. A couple hours later, there's DeArmanville, my bride. It's awesome, isn't it, y'all?
Don't eat the yellow snow.
The yellow snow makes really, really good snowballs. It packs better because it's warm too. It's a lot warmer. We got snow. Look at this, y'all. This is like real snow. I'm telling you, we haven't had snow like this in a long time. Get it, DeArmanville.
Since
Get it, girl.
2014.
Gosh.
It's like
This is the way you do it. Look. Hang on. Oh, come on. It's cold. Oh, I got an idea. Come here.
It's huge. It's gonna break.
It is, isn't it? So if this is the real way to measure, look at that. That's how deep it is. That's some good snow, huh? So look, y'all gotta make 2 gigantic snowballs right here, and then we'll roll them down the hill later.
Well, actually, we're gonna throw them at each other.
My name's not Ashley. So call me that. Phone ringing. I don't ever remember snow being this nice and sticky in Alabama. Hold on, look at this. Yeah. You gotta make a left. That way, go back behind you that way in the good snow. That's with your sunglasses. That's without them. I just don't know. Maybe good both ways.
I'm not gonna hit him in the face.
Eli, do you want him throwing
Yeah, I don't think he's ready to be irritated. Y'all roll snowballs. I'm telling you, this is a record for us in Alabama. Not a record snow.
Ah!
But that is awesome. I can't believe you really can just roll it and it gets bigger. I've thought that only happened in cartoons.
See, get mine up there.
2 at a time. Hey, that's the sound of a man working on a chain. Yeah, golly, it's huge. I love this game.
Will you help me?
This is my favorite part, holding the camera and walking backwards. I really did not know you could really do this. I thought that this is only like cartoon stuff.
You need to start rolling it this
That's
way.
like getting dangerous size, ain't it? Okay, go. Use your back, not your legs. I'm just kidding. That other little kid's stuck down there. I don't know what's wrong with him. Let me go see what's going on. Oh, man. I'm gonna go get a potato gun.
Here, I'll help. You ready?
Okay, that's enough. Stop.
Push. I'm sleeping.
That's too late. Yeah, this is unheard of Alabama weather right here. We have an occasional dusting, if you will, annually, but nothing like this. Look at the children frolicking about. Frolic, frolic, frolic. Crazy kids, ain't got no sense. Yes, I got an umbrella. Can you hear it? Boy. Oh, he'd flip out over that. Come check this out. Come down here. We're like, my bride has gone live. Check out this snow, people. That's Geronimo in the snow. See his little cutie pie with their helmet on? I'm Mr. Snow Miser. I'm Mr. Fun. Or is it the other way around? God, this is so deep. Look. Look, this is really something we've never had. I love it. The last snow we had that was probably this big, or was a lot bigger, was in the early 90s, and I lived in Florida. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, there's Geronimo. Say hey.
So were they looking out the front of that thing or the back?
I got it. Oh, I'm getting too far from the house. It's saying very bad. Reconnecting. I don't know.
Turn off the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Hang on, we gotta try something here. It's a little wet out. I gotta put a toboggan on him. Okay, hold on. No, that would probably wouldn't be one of the best decisions today. I gotta get it situated here. This ain't working. Okay, come here. You're soaking wet in your faces. Come here. Come over here. Take that thing off your head.
Oh, dude, it's freezing.
Yeah, I don't want that thing on there. Hold your head stiff.
Ah, it's cold.
You're gonna be okay. Hush. And that goes on your nose. Then you just pull this down.
How big do you want it to be, Daddy? Yeah, no, Daddy.
Stop.
Hey, I can't see. It hurts.
I'm not done. Here, hold this.
It hurts.
I'm not done. Then you put this plastic. Hold your head up straight. Then you put the plastic one up there. Now hold your head up. There you go. And it's great.
Okay.
They're building a gigantic snowball. Although it doesn't look big from way up here. But we're gonna shove some Tannerite in it and see what we can do.
We're gonna blow up a snowman?
Snow person, snow individual.
Do we
It's
have any
2017.
color stuff we can put on it?
Snowman is inappropriate.
A snow person.
The snow individual. Snow way. I almost said it again. Look at all the. Let's go no glasses. See what it looks like. I love seeing this. I don't know the difference. Is that too bright? Now I got snow on the thing. Look at this snow. Isn't this ridiculous? Look how deep it is. Remember what state we're in. We've got Tannerite. We've got monster snowballs. Okay, where are you going to put that? You're going to put this on top of here?
Yes.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the...
It's gonna be hard to break.
Yeah, here's the Tannerite in my pocket. Can't get it out. Yeah, we'll shoot. We need to be 100 yards away. If we can put this where we can see the orange and they just build around it or something, where we can see the orange, and that's where we'll shoot. Oh yeah. Maybe a little deeper and just leave a cavern. We want to be deep in that joker. I'll be back. Hey, turn this camera off. Struggling here. Kids are creating a masterpiece.
No, Brian, you're coming up the orange.
Yeah, I remember we got to see the orange from the hill. Y'all go ahead and do what you got to do, and we can dig another tunnel towards it. Look at the snow. Isn't it beautiful out here? Isn't this awesome? I love it. Go to McDonald's. I'm loving it. Look. Pines are covered. The oaks are covered. Incredible, isn't it? Oh, y'all want to see the creek? We can show the creek I play in. Come on. Look at old Blue. She don't get scared. She's got a new left shoe. Well, actually bearing, so looks like she got a new she was locking up right there, so she had to get, there's like a what do you call it when you get like a fake knee? That's what she got on her foot. She got a fake ankle. This is where they rolled the snowball up. Let's go look at the creek. There it is over there. Look at that. Go for a creek walk. I know a lot of y'all are used to this. We're not. Isn't it incredible? Absolutely beautiful out here. Long way. Where's our Tannerite? Oh, we're gonna have to find it, huh?
Yeah, that's right.
It's about like right there.
Let me dig it out real quick.
That's okay. We gotta be able to see the orange, which is, I guess it's good they put an orange label on it. I hate to label things. I'm just kidding. Ah, I see orange. You'll be able to see that through the scope.
Yeah.
We should leave that open.
Good.
We're gonna let the bearded one shoot this one. The Rune shot the last one. And we're gonna do some more tomorrow, so oh, that's perfect. So what do you figure that snowball weighs? Oh, I bet it weighs 300 pounds. Are y'all gonna pack the rest of that on top?
Yeah, we might get a little bit more of this.
We've had huge limbs falling in front of the yard. I had to move the white wagon. Our trees aren't used to this. They're in panic mode. They're thinking, oh my goodness, what's going on? So here's our depth so far. That's more than that. But it's just awesome snow because look, I just made a little snow individual without even trying. I'm gonna help them.
It's so hard to block the hole.
If you bang on it real hard, it all falls right off.
Oh crap.
Here, here. Here you go.
I'm just trying to block it from going in the hole. We need some right here.
Here.
Okay.
This is working out pretty good. I'm the only one with a shovel. I'm the only smart one out here.
Yeah, this
Back up for a second, Greenie.
or bigger than junior.
Whoa.
This stuff is packing so nice, isn't it? Now, I guess we're getting there. We may have enough, huh? So now we got to place the other camera on here. Let's do that. That's my bride driving. Don't turn it off. Got the camera charged, the other one on the stick. We gotta place it. Isn't this great? I've never seen snow this deep in Alabama. Never have. I'm gonna put the camera over here this time. Oh yeah, perf. Yeah, step. I just gotta build more snow around it. Okay, let me see. Okay, there it is. I'm recording now. We got a jam. Let's go. Okay, time for the shot. He's zoning in. Hang on, Billy. I'm gonna get down here behind this tree. Y'all ready? Is the door closed? Hang on. This is gonna be awesome. Ready when you are. No way! You got one more bullet. Hit the orange dot. I got more. Alright, we gotta do this again. Yeah. You want another one? He's got, let me get back down here. Hold on. This snow's awesome. Okay. Oh, that was awesome. Let me stop the camera. I thought it'd be a little more impressive. I had my goofy headphones on. I think it messed me up. Are we still recording? I can't tell. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, maybe we should have had it deeper like you said. Pretty cool though, just set the bottle down in it.
The bottle's okay.
Alright. Hey, you didn't make a snow monster.
It's perfect!
Do it again, do a new one right there.
Right here?
Yeah. You gotta like wave your arms to make it look like a snow freak. There you go. All right, now, man, you're gonna be soaking wet. I guess it doesn't matter.
Can you help us move this?
Yeah. Where are you trying to move it to? Look how deep the snow is.
That way or that way?
I've already said that 20 times. Well, I got some bad news about the second camera down there. We had some issues, so.
Massive. Either that way or that way. I want to get a ladder and go.
Oh, we can't move that thing.
Can I go get the click a button ladder? Oh, that's cool. Watch.
So it'll take you the rest of your life to melt this down. All right.
Look, it's ice.
Oh, somebody's been here.